Before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you guys. I got a lot of ninja watchers and I really need help with my channel right now, so if you could do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell, I'd appreciate it. Also, if you're interested in getting virtual lessons with me, go ahead and check out the description for some links and check out my website, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, here's an easy no bar chords way to play Beggin. So what you want to do is just standard tuning. You can grab your electric guitar too. This probably actually would sound better on electric, but I'm just doing the lesson here on acoustic. You're going to play a B minor, so index finger, 2nd fret of the high E, middle finger 3rd fret of the B, ring finger 4th fret of D, and pinky 4th fret of G. And you focus your strum on just those high 4 strings, the D through the high E. And the strum pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So a little slower, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. One more time, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And you notice I put just one chuck in there. So down, 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 chuck. Okay, now a chuck, you just karate chop the strings, mute them out, rake the pick across the strings really quick. It's just a strumming technique. So one more time, down, 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 chuck, up, up, down, 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 up. Then you're going to go to an E minor. So very simple, index finger 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D. And this one you can be a little more freely strumming all the strings. All right. Now we go to a, I'm sorry, 7. This is a 7 sharp 9 chord is what it's called. And it's a Jimi Hendrix chord is what it's better known as. So you set your middle finger down on the 4th fret of the A, index finger 3rd fret of the D, ring finger 4th fret of the G, and pinky 5th fret of the B. It's kind of a weird chord, but that's just the voicing that I think works well in this song and sounds good. So it's a good chord to learn. It's not a bar chord, but it's still a hard chord. So, and you're focusing your strum just on the strings you're holding. So if you can't avoid plucking the low E or the high E in this, if you can kind of mute those out, I try to use maybe the top of my middle finger to mute out the low E and the bottom of my pinky to mute out the high E, if you can. So the focus of the strum should be on the middle 4 strings, the A through the B. All right, now following that chord, we've got an F sharp chord with the high E string ringing open. So this is kind of similar to that intro chord, the B minor, but you set your ring finger 4th fret of D, middle finger 3rd fret of G, index finger 2nd fret of B. And you're going to strum, focus from the D down through the high E, so high E is open. And this one, if you can, I try to mute out the low E with my thumb over the top and then mute out the A with the top of my ring finger. So you put that all together and you've got Now there's another section. So every time I'm hearing the verses, so I would say the song, you know, it starts on that, which is the chorus. Right? You're going to the E minor. that's what I would consider the chorus. So every time you hear the chorus, you always go to the E minor. Now for all the other sections of the song, at least from what I could hear, it goes to the G chord instead of the E minor for all the other sections of the song. So that means you go from B minor to G. So middle finger sets down on 3rd fret of the low E. And I kind of mute out the A string with the bottom of my middle finger. Some people like to set their index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, but I actually just mute out the A. So even if you just strum that, already it kind of sounds good. So you could probably get away with just playing that. But I like to set my ring finger down on 3rd fret of the B, pinky down on 3rd fret of the high E. And that gives you a nice G voicing. So B minor. Then we finish off with the same 2 chords, the 7 sharp 9 chord to the F sharp. And you'll hear, you know, that section right in the near the intro, right after it gets out of the chorus, it sort of does the hits. It'll go to the G. And then it'll go into the strum pattern using the G. All right. So that should be all the sections you need to this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.